Welcome to another OB training video. This video is about working with sections. A section can represent varied parts of a book such as a chapter, topic or subtopic. OB allows nesting of sections, which means a section can have subsections. This behavior allows you to put the subtopics of a chapter within the corresponding section. In OB we can work with sections both in the TOC view, which is on the left side of the screen, as well as in the content view, which is on the right side of the screen. To add a new section, go to the sections menu and click on add section, or else you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. A new section will be created and its label can be edited at this time. The newly created section will be empty at this time, that is, it will not have any subsections or audio. To create a subsection, in the section menu click on add subsection or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+H, and now you can type the name of the new section. To insert a section, that is to create a section before the selected item, in the sections menu click on insert section or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+H. To rename a section, click on rename section in the sections menu or just press F2. Now you can type a new name for the section. To delete a section, click delete in the edit menu or simply press the delete key. In OB it is possible to copy or cut sections and paste them at another location. To copy a section, simply press Ctrl+C or click copy in the edit menu. To cut a section, you can press Ctrl+X or you can click on cut in the edit menu. Now to paste the section that you have cut or copied after the selected section, click on paste in the edit menu. To paste the cut or copied section before the selected item, click on paste before in the edit menu. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Alt+V. If you want to paste the item as a subsection of the selected section, then click on paste inside, and the keyboard shortcut for this is Ctrl+Shift+V. To merge a section with the next section, which is either at the same level or a subsection, in the sections menu click on merge sections and then click on merge section with next. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+M. When you do this, the subsequent section is appended to the former section and all the contents of the second section are added to the first one. It is also possible to merge multiple sections in OB. To do this, in the sections menu click on merge sections and then click on merge multiple sections. In the dialog box that appears, select the sections to be merged and then click OK. You can also split sections. To split a section, first select the splitting point, which could be at the beginning of a phrase or in between a phrase. Then in the sections menu click on split section or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Q. Now the selected section will be split. A new section will be created. The name of the new section will be same as that of the earlier section, except that there will be an asterisk at the end. All the audio from the splitting point will now move to this new section. The section levels can be increased or decreased from the menu or the keyboard. To increase the section level, in the section menu click on increase section level or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+right arrow. To decrease section level, in the sections menu you can click on decrease section level or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift left arrow. If you do not want to export a particular section into the final book, then it is possible to mark it as unused. To do this, in the sections menu, click on section is used. To view the properties of a section, in the view menu, click on section properties. The dialog box that opens displays the section title, which can be changed, the level or depth of the section, which can also be changed. You can also see the names of the ancestor sections, the duration of the heading, the number of phrases in the particular section, and whether the selected section is used or not. The properties dialog box can also be opened by using the keyboard shortcut Alt Enter. Most of the commands for working with sections are also available in the context menu. You can just do a right click on a section and choose the required operation. Here it is important to point out that some of the operations on sections, when used from the content view, may have different implications. So for more details, you can always read the OB help manual.